Okay guys, now we're going to deal with the rest of the opening, and for this we're going to be using the GIB Weatherline flashing tape. This comes in two sizes, 150 and 200. Once again here we're going to be using the 150 because we've got a 90mm frame and it comes over the surface of the board by 50mm. Now what I've done, I've gone and pre-cut my pieces, and you can see here the tape, the flashing tape has a split back as well. It's got 100mm and a 50mm backing. We're going to leave the 50mm backing on at the moment, and I'm just going to put the 100mm, remove the 100mm and stick this on. Once again, we need to make sure that our sill framing or our framing is dry and free of dust. Make sure that we get a good connection there. And just want to reinforce that GIB Weatherline branded tapes are the only ones that are authorised for use on the GIB Weatherline system. So we've stuck the 100mm on, and we're just going to use the plastic paddle to put that on. Now we're going to take off the 50mm backing. Simple as that. Now, don't start at one end and run the paddle along because you'll end up with waves and wrinkles and it'll end up a mess. So we're just going to tack it in place like you see me doing there. And once that's done, use the plastic paddle, brush away from the joint and then one across. Really important that you use a plastic paddle and get a firm press fit, make good contact between the tape and the board. So now I've done that, I've pre-cut my side piece, and again I'm going to take off the 100mm backing, and that goes on there, and it covers the 100mm upstand of the sill tape. Again, tack in place, plastic paddle, simple like that. Always put the plastic paddle in the back pocket, that way you know where it is. And I'm taking 50mm off, again just tacking in place like that, nice and tight. Plastic paddle, push it away from the edge, simple as that. To finish off, we're just going to address the corner. So what I've done is I've cut a piece of flashing tape about 150 to 200mm long. It's got the split back on it. Here's a little tip for you. I'm going to fold it over my plastic paddle like that. I'm going to remove the backing tape, sticky stuff, and we're going to place that up into the corner like that. And press that way and like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin each side. Oh, I've got to take the 50mm off first. And pin each corner. This one's a little bit more difficult, and then that gets pressed up over the corners like that. May look a little messy, but it's actually protected the corner. Make sure that's all flattened out. So that's how we finish off the corners, and now our openings are all done.